Hey, this is Chris with AffiliateTuber.com. Today I'm on a different computer and don't have a webcam, so I do apologize for that. But what I want to do is a cash magnets review. I actually wasn't going to do a review for this product, but then after getting early access to it, I went through some of the course and I absolutely loved it. It's one of the better quality courses that I've found that's being released on Warrior Plus, and it's only $17. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through this course and kind of explain to you a little bit about what it is, what all it covers, and then we're going to talk about the pricing, the upsells, one-time offers, and some bonuses I'm going to be offering if you guys buy cash magnets through my website, and you'll find that link directly under this video in the description box. Okay, so what is cash magnets? So first of all, it's created by Mace and Jono Armstrong. These are two very, very successful online marketers. You can see here in one of the videos that I was going through that Brendan pulls up his Warrior Plus account. And if you can't see it, this is the background of his Warrior Plus account, where you can see just recently, I mean, he made these videos. They're very, very new. All these videos, they're completely brand new, so don't think you're going to be getting some kind of rehashed videos or that you're getting something that's outdated, because he manually went in and made all these videos within just the past couple days. And you can see here some of his stats just from, this was on the 23rd, over $3,000, and the day before that, almost $12,000, which to me is pretty crazy. So yeah, he's definitely successful. He knows what he's doing. He knows what he's talking about. And as I was going through these methods that he's teaching here, I've used all of these methods myself at one point or another and have had success with them. Not to the level he's had, but I've had success with them in generating sales and generating leads and commissions. And so what he covers in cash magnets is 5 different ways of creating passive income. So there may be one way that you enjoy making money more than the other. For example, if you like doing websites, he talks about that, ways you can use websites through creating a funnel, and he goes over all the steps involved in that to create the funnel, to get it set up, what's important in the funnel, what's important in the opt-in pages, and he'll just sit and kind of go over the entire process, showing you and explaining to you why to do this, why he done this for, and what's important with it. So very good videos that he made on these. And then he goes over the methods of leaving reviews, or not leaving reviews, but doing product reviews, and then also for blogging, for YouTube, and AdSense. And what he's done is pretty neat, the way this whole system's been put together, because not only does he give you 5 methods and goes over each one in detail about how to make money with them, but then he has a section here on traffic, and he's got methods in there on generating traffic to these 5 methods of creating passive or recurring income. And so this traffic, basically what you're going to do is you're going to go into the traffic and you're going to pick out 1 or 2 methods, and you're going to match it up with one of the methods you want to use up here for generating your income. And so that's basically what cash magnets is, and I can't really open up all these and show you guys what's in them. I just don't think that would be fair to Brendan or Jono, so I can't do that, but I did open up the funnels, and you can kind of see here how they go. And they're still uploading the videos. This product launches here in a couple days, and they're still adding videos, so it's not completely done yet. So I don't want to go over the entire inside of the product and then them, have a lot more videos they're going to be adding to it. But for $17, I highly recommend you guys pick this up, because these methods are very good, they're very profitable, and they do work.